Hello, myself Nancy Sailor from Srimati Alpisani Vidya Bhavan, Adajan, Surat. Today we are going to learn computer. Chapter number 4, Do's and Don't with Computer, Class 1. Machines are part of our life. We use machine to make our work fast and easy. We should be careful while using machines. A computer is also a machine, so we should be careful while using a computer. In this lesson we will deal with safety rules to be followed while using a computer. Keep these do's and don't in your mind when you use the computer. First is keep it clean. It is sensitive to dust. Means do not use wet cloth to clean the monitor. Always use clean and dry cloth to wipe off dust or dirt from any part of the computer. Yes, we don't have to use a wet cloth. We have to use clean and dry cloth. Next, do not eat or drink near the computer. Always keep the area clean so that nothing spills on computer. Do not keep the computer uncovered if it is not in use. Always cover the computer when not in use. This will protect it from the dust. If you will cover the computer now, it will protect it from dust. Yes. Do not keep the room and nearby area of computer dirty and messy. Yes. Always keep the computer clean. Computer room clean. Remove shoes before you enter the computer lab. In the school, when you will come, you have to remove your shoes outside the lab and then you can enter the computer lab. Now second is using the computer gently. It is delicate. Do not pull mouse far away from the computer. Yes, a computer mouse should be handled carefully. Pulling the wire, it may be damage it. Do not bang hard on keyboard. Roughly handling may damage the keyboard. When you will press the keys by hardly, it will damage your keyboard. The keys should be pressed gently, slowly. Do not pull any wires connected to the CPU. Always ensure that things connected to CPU like keyboard, mouse, speaker are handled carefully. Do not switch off computer directly. Always switch on the computer properly. Before turning off the computer, always shut down. Third, maintain a correct posture. Means position. It can cause injury. Do not keep your hand on mouse and keyboard continuously. Yes, do not keep your hand on mouse and keyboard continuously. Sit close to your keyboard and position it directly in front of your body. Make sure that the mouse is placed properly. Yes, do not bend while working on computer. You should maintain a proper distance from monitor and sit straight. If required, adjust the height of a chair for a proper view. Fourth, taking turns while sharing the computer. It's for everyone. We have to share our computer with everyone. Do not quarrel on using the computer. Do not fight means do not fight. Give your classmate a fair chance to use a computer. Sharing the computer and working together will help you to finish the assignment in time. If you share your computer, your assignment will be completed in time. Next, fifth, being sensitive towards others. Do not disturb others while they are working on a computer. Yes, never disturb anyone while they are working. Always maintain silence while others are working on a computer. You have to maintain silence. Do not play music loudly in public place like school, computer lab, office and even at home also. Please don't play music loudly on computers. Yes. Lower the volume you or use headphones so that it does not disturb others. Use headphone so no one will get disturbed while you are working or listening music. Thank you.